right, we are in Unit 4, Lesson 3.
Yay!
It is the triangle inequality theorem, which says the sum of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the measure of the third side. Well, that sounds like a lot of words.
That is a lot of words. That was kind of boring. I wasn't listening.
I wonder what that means.
I do too. What does that mean?
Let's check. So if you follow this process and only this process every time you do this on a test quiz or homework or classwork, I swear you'll be successful. If you stray or deviate from the plan, things will go badly.
They might go awry.
Awry. Hugely awry.
Okay.
So this triangle has three sides. Every triangle has three sides, right?
Yes, every
Yes.
triangle has three sides.
This triangle has a side of length 3, another side of length 3, and another side of length 3, equilateral. And what we need to do here is decide, can a triangle be formed from those lengths? So sometimes that's a yes, sometimes it's a no. Sometimes those lengths will not form a triangle, and sometimes they will. This is the process. So the longest side, well, what is the longest side if it's 3, 3, and 3?
3.
Still 3, because 3 is the only side. And we're going to add the other 2. So this is our longest side. We're going to add the other 2. Well, 3 plus 3 is?
6.
6. Now we're going to compare them. 3 to 6. And when I say compare them, I mean less than, greater than, or equal to. Are they less than? Is 3 less than 6? Greater than 2, 6, or equal to 6?
3 is less than 6, Miss Cintron.
Okay, so anytime you have a less than, you say yes.
So if the greatest side is less than the other two sides added together, it can be a triangle.
Correct.
Are you telling me that I can't just randomly pick 3 side lengths and make it into a triangle?
No, that is what I'm telling you. You cannot do that. It doesn't always make a triangle. Because if you try it, they won't fit together. It'll be like one of these funky chicken things.
Oh, like a broken paper plate.
Right, so maybe that's, side 8, this is side 4, and this is side 3. It never meets in a triangular form. And that would be a problem. Is that a triangle, Miss Barnett?
No, because it's not closed.
It's 3 sides.
But it's not closed, Miss
But-
Cintron.
But it's not closed. That's right. All right, so let's try again because maybe we didn't get that. This is the process. We pick out the longest side. Now these are different sides. 3, 4, and 8.
Oh, I know.
Ooh, I'll pick
Pick
you.
me. The longest side is 8.
It is 8. Now we're going to add the other 2, which is 3 and 4. Where am I getting these numbers from?
You gave them to me in the problem, Miss Cintron.
Oh,
That's silly.
silly question. 3 plus 4 equals 7. That is a weird 7, but it's the board, not me. Now we're going to compare them. You always take the first one, the longest side, and compare it to the other 2. So is this less than, greater than, or equal to?
8 is greater than 7.
So I said it must be less than. So is this a yes or
That
no?
is a no, because 8 is greater than 7.
No. A triangle can not be formed. That's a no.
Oh.
All right, we try again, just for kicks. It does not have this list for you on test quizzes, homework, classwork. It doesn't. That was me helping you, okay? Now you have to think for yourself. What is the process? I forgot already. Maybe I should look back. Well, she told me to write down the longest side. What's the longest side?
10.
Longest is 10. And writing it out. Then it says add the other 2. What are the other 2?
5 and 5.
Well, what's 5 plus 5?
10.
10. Okay. Now she said compare them. Well, I take this one and compare it to that one. Well, they happen to be the same. So is that less than, greater than, equal to?
Equal to?
Is equal to allowed?
No.
No. No. The answer is no. Not a triangle. Not a triangle. All right, same process every time. We are going to put some of these for you to practice. Are we?
Aren't we doing a paper practice?
Oh, we're doing a paper practice, folks.
So we can do all of this.
So what is the longest side?
5. Even though there are 2 5s, one of the 5s
Which
is
5
longest.
is the longest?
I'll say the first 5. Although it really doesn't matter.
And then we add the other 2. So we have 5 plus 3 is
8.
Then we compare the first number, the longest, to the other. It matters. You must have the first longest number first and then the other one here. Otherwise, my whole plan doesn't work.
Every single time. The
Every time.
longest side goes first.
Mm-hmm. So we compare, is 5 less than, greater than, or equal to 8?
Less than.
So is this a yes or a no?
Yay! It's a triangle.
Yes. Triangle. Okay. Next.
Okay.
I fell asleep on number 1, 2, 3, and 4, but that's okay. We got 5, 6,
We got
7, 8.
4 more.
All
So
right.
let's see how fast we can do this.
Longest side.
9.
Other 2.
7 plus 8. 15.
Compare.
9. 15. 9 is less than 15. It is a triangle.
What?
Yay
That was
for
speedy.
me.
And now we have this one. Longest.
Is 10.
Should be comma there. And then the other 2.
5 plus 3 is 8.
And then compare.
So I put the 10 in front because it's the longest. I'm comparing it to 8. 10 is greater than 8.
So this is.
Not a triangle.
All right.
Bummer.
Ooh, keep going.
Oh, I know this one by heart.
Longest.
5.
And the other 2.
3 plus 4. And that's 7. So then I
Okay.
write 5. I'm comparing it to 7. 5 is less than 7. So that is yes. That's actually a right triangle.
This is a right track. What? That's special.
Oh, we're not supposed to talk about that.
Yeah, we don't know about that yet.
Special triangles. Okay, 12. Oh, no. What? Miss Barnett. Go back to 2nd grade. 15.
15.
12 plus 10 is 22.
Compare.
15 comes first, then I put 22 after it. 15 is less than 22. Yes, it is a triangle. Guys, did I do the same thing every single time? We did
Every
the same
time.
thing every time.
Yes, we did.
Okay.
There's one last thing to talk about here, and we're going on video time, Miss Burnett.
Oh, we're good. We got another.
Okay.
We got another 8 minutes on video time here. Oh, 7 minutes on video time.
Oh gosh, we can maybe even tap dance at the end.
Do you guys want to see us sing and tap dance?
You sing, I'll tap dance.
Oh my gosh.
What is the
Never
possible
come
length of the
class.
other side? So sometimes they want to know what is the length of the other side, okay? And they gave us 2 of the sides. It says the triangle's one side is 10, the other side is 14. Describe the possible lengths of the other side, the third side. We know a triangle has 3 sides. We only know 2 of them. They want to know what's a possibility for the other side in order for it to be a triangle. So we have side 1 is 10, and side 2, and it doesn't matter that order. Side 2 is 14, okay? So we call out what the sides are, 10 and 14, and then we're going to add them together. So add them. 10 plus 14. 24. And then we're going to subtract them. And that would be, well, I'll do the biggest minus the smallest, so I don't want a negative.
Yeah, you can't have a negative length.
So we want biggest minus smallest, and we get 4. So that's it. And you say, what's it? So the third side is between
That's so cool, Miss Cintron.
4 and 24. So that means, could the third side be 5, Miss Barnett?
Yes,
Why?
because it is a number between 4 and 24.
Could it be 27?
No, Miss Cintron.
Because
It is too big. It's not between the 2 numbers. It's greater than 24.
Could it be 4?
No.
Absolutely not, because it's not between 4 and 24. It would be equal to 4 or 24. It has to be in between. So 5 up to 23 are good.
Okay.
All right, so that means we need to try one more, and then we will be on our merry way. Side 1, 17. Board is a little off. Side 2,
Okay.
11. So we're going to add 17 plus 11.
28.
Then we're going to subtract. This is
6.
the process every time.
Every time?
Every time.
Awesome. Oh, so
Third side is what?
between 6 and 28. You know what I love, Miss Sunshine?
I don't know. What do you love?
I love the drawing.
Do you love the drawing?
I love the drawing. I have a very hard time without drawings. things. Like
Yeah.
I was about to ask you to draw a picture over here because I get confused.
There would be no reason not to draw a picture over here, so why not?
Okay, yay, we get a picture.
Yeah, and try not to make it right because I don't think it's right. 14. We'll put her here. Put him here. And this one we don't know.
Yeah.
So that one is between 4 and 24.
So could it be like 4.5?
It could because it's more than 4.
Oh, okay. Cool.
All right. Well,
Was that
that's
it?
That is it.
Oh my gosh, this is like the
did
easiest
it.
unit ever.
I know, and all we have this unit is a quiz. We don't actually have a test
That's so nice.
because it's such a short little baby unit.
It is a baby unit. Okay, so they have a paper practice to do now. Use your notes to do the paper practice.
Please ask questions if you have them.
That's why we're here. Okay, guys, thanks.
Toodles.
Toodles.